when it's getting close to Christmas and you really want to give homemade gifts because everybody loves a homemade Christmas, these mini ornaments are perfect because not only can you use them for decorating, you can put them on packages, you can give them as little gifts, and they're super adorable. They're quick and easy, and they don't take much yarn. You use these little teeny weeny wool balls. So in this knit along, I'm going to show you how to knit 3 different projects. So we'll be making a mini sweater, a very near and dear to my husband and I, a Swedish heart, and pennants where you can spell out any kind of Christmas message or holiday message you choose. Join me, Jenny Fish, for the mini ornament knit along. Be sure to check out onebighappy.com where you can get the kit with the printed pattern and these cute little teeny weeny wool balls.
Happy knitting!